Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from TalentUpskill, Class 6, English version Math, exercise 2.1, question number 9. Divide Taka 550 in the ratios of 5:6 and 4:7. The first ratio is 5:6. 5 plus 6 equals to 11. Therefore, first quantity equals to 5 by 11 multiply the total amount 550 taka equals to, simplify, divide by 11, so this becomes 5 and 0 and this becomes 1 equals to 250 taka. Next, the second quantity. Therefore, the second quantity equals to 6 by 11 multiply total amount 550 equals to, should be 5 and 0 and 300 taka. Next ratio 4:7. When ratio is 4:7, 4 plus 7 equals to 11. Therefore, first quantity will be 4 by 11 multiply total amount 550 taka, simplify, this becomes 50 and here we get 1. 4 into 50 is 200. Second quantity equals to 7 by 11 multiply 550 taka equals to, simplify, divide by 11, this becomes 50. 7 into 50, 350 taka. So when ratio is 5:6, the amounts will be 250 and 300. And when ratio is 4:7, the amounts will be 200 taka and 350 taka. That is the answer. Question number 10. The ratio of the ages of father and son is 14:3. If the age of father is 56 years, what is the age of son? The ratio is equals to 14:3. Let father's age is 14x. Therefore, son's age will be 3x. If father's age is 14x and son's age is 3x, the ratio doesn't change. How? 14x by 3x, if we simplify x gone, the ratio is 14:3. So the ratio remains same. So if father's age is 14x, son's age is 3x. From question we get father's age is 56 years. Can we write 14x equals to 56 years? Yes. Therefore, x equals to 56 by 14 equals to, simplify, 4 years. Therefore, son's age equals to 3x. 3 multiply 4 years equals to 12 years. That is the answer. Question number 11. The sum of two numbers is 630. Their ratio is 10:11. Determine two numbers. The total amount is given and the ratio is given. This is very simple. The ratio is 10:11 and total number or the sum of the numbers. Sum of the numbers 630. And 10 plus 11 equals to 21. Therefore, the first quantity equals to 10 by 21 multiply total amount or the sum. Simplify, divide by 21, 30 and 1 equals to 300. So first quantity is 300. Second quantity equals to 11 by 21 multiply total amount or sum 630. Now simplify, divide both by 21. This is 30, 330. So the two numbers are 300 and 330. 300 and 330. That is the answer. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.